Hey guys, Lucifer here. Welcome back if you are here for the second time. My hair's a bit crazy, but it's fine. And I have no eyeliner or mascara on, and that's because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put my wigs on. A big thank you to UniWigs. So the wig that I have today is this. This is her. She's a lace front. Lace fronts are my favorite type of wig. So everybody's got a different taste in wigs. For me personally, I really like this kind of messy, wavy texture, and I like when wigs have a lot of hair, like a lot. Look at her, she's so pretty. I'm very excited. It kind of reminds me of my scene kid hair, this kind of like galaxy color. So a lace front wig is basically when the front of the wig is made to look a bit more realistic. So you can see here it has like individual hairs. This might make more sense, so I've turned it inside out just in case you're like, what the hell is going on here? The front of the wig is lace, which makes it a lace front. So that's what a lace front is. So we can get started now. So you're just bringing your hair back. You're just going to tie your hair up. And some people put their hair in a bun, but I just leave mine because my hair is really short, and if I put it in a bun, you can't really see, but it will just stick out. And you don't want that. You want your hair to be kind of as flat as possible. So like you'll see in a second when I put the wig cap on, my ponytail will be like to my head. Okay, so they actually, I already opened one, but they included 2 wig caps. If you don't know how to put on a wig cap, there are little instructions on the back. Look how cute these little photos are. Oh my god, that's me. Yep, that's me right there. Oh no, that's me. That's definitely me. So when you take it out, you have this little thing, and this is gonna look really weird to try show you guys, but you are going to turn it around because I have it the wrong way. And you're gonna stretch it out like this, and you are just going to look crazy right now. Pull the back down while tucking in the hair. Oh Jesus, I'm so bad at this. I got my hair everywhere. Pull this part, I don't know, up like that until you look really cool. So you'll be left with this. Wait a second. Wait, that's me right now. Okay, so the ponytail that you left out, you're just going to put it in there. And while you're doing this, you're gonna completely act like you know what you're doing. Now that I'm looking crazy and completely snatched, it's time to get your wig. Okay, so this is the scary part for most people, but you're taking your scissors and you're going to cut the lace like just before the hairline. Okay, so I have cut the lace. The lace is gone. So basic anatomy of a wig. Inside the cap, there's a clip here in the front, then there's one in the side and another one in the side. Really helpful, so I really love, especially when they have a clip in the front. Back here, there's another clip, and there is a very important strap. There's a piece here and a matching piece here, which will clip at the back of your head to make the wig more secure. We're gonna go put the wig on now. So you just take the wig behind you, and you're going to place it down, and you're gonna pull it down at the back. Okay, so it's on now. You're going to put the clips in. So this is gonna be really hard to explain, but you're gonna put your thumb back and try to find the clip. And then when you find the clip, you'll feel it. You're gonna pull the wig slightly forward, only like a centimeter, and you're going to put the clip into the wig cap and push it back. Now the side clips and slot it into place. So we still have to do the back. You're gonna pull the wig down and slide it up into your hair. Okay, so the next part can be kind of tricky, especially if you have long nails, but you're going to feel for those clips, the 2 clips I was telling you about, the ones at the back, and you're gonna single them out of all the hairs because they will be tangled up in a bunch of hair. I can't even show you, but you're gonna pull them back and clip them onto each other. Okay, so now that you have your wig done, you are going to just take some of the hair from the upper half So you're going to just like take a few sections of hair. So you're just pulling these down. Okay, so now you're gonna have a bobbin on your wrist already just to make your life easier. So you're taking your section. I don't have a method for this, but you're just gonna twirl it around, hold it, pull the bobbin. Before we move on, I'm actually going to take some bobby pins. Okay, next side. So you're doing the same thing. You'll probably notice that you'll be able to do this side a bit faster. You kind of already know what you're doing now. And then you just pull the bobbin over. Okay, and you're just going to pull some of those hairs out. So now that you've secured this bun, you just have to kind of make them even. So I'm just gonna like... This is so cute. Okay, I really like this. Yeah, that's cute. I think I'm in love with myself. Wow. Okay, so now that the wig is on, I'm just going to add some jewelry. I usually wouldn't do this beforehand. So I have this necklace. Yeah, so I know that I said that I usually put lashes on after the wig, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really vibing with the idea of lashes right now, especially with this wig. I feel like this wig is so nice anyway. I kind of feel like lashes would overpower it. So I'm gonna leave lashes off. I'm just going to like top up my lip liner and then we will be done. Okay, and that's it. This is the finished wig. Kind of just cute small space buns. I'm really happy with it. The hairline looks really good. The buns are so cute. A lot of it was really hard to explain, so I kind of hope I made sense. So yeah, that's it. We are done here. And once again, this wig is from UniWigs, so I will leave their @ here, but I will also link them in the description. Yeah, I hope this one was a bit better than my last video. I hope you learned something, and one last thank you to UniWigs. This was so cool. And that's all. So goodbye. I hope you have a good night and a good week and a good month and a good year. I hope I see you again, and goodbye.